Today I am reviewing the MSI Cubi NUC AI Business Mini Desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The landscape of corporate workstations is undergoing a massive shift. High-end computing no longer requires bulky, loud desktop towers taking up prime real estate under your desk or cluttering your office environment. Instead, enterprise professionals are looking toward micro PCs that can deliver immense processing power without the massive footprint. The MSI Cubi NUC AI Business Mini Desktop is the absolute gold standard of this modern evolution. Squeezing an astonishing amount of next-generation hardware into an ultra-compact 0.51-liter chassis, this mini desktop is engineered specifically to handle the demands of AI-accelerated workloads, intense multitasking, and complex corporate data structures. Let's break down exactly what makes this tiny machine a titan for business productivity. The true heart and soul of the MSI Cubi NUC is the groundbreaking Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor. This chip is built on Intel's cutting-edge hybrid architecture, featuring an incredible 16 cores and 22 threads, pushing up to a maximum turbo frequency of 4.8 GHz. But what truly sets this processor apart for the modern workspace is its Integrated Neural Processing Unit, or NPU. This dedicated AI engine is engineered to run local AI applications, smart background tasks, and voice and video enhancements seamlessly. When you pair this ferocious processing power with 16 GB of next-generation DDR5 RAM and a lightning-fast 512 GB solid-state drive, the performance is flawless. Whether you are running complex data modeling, compiling massive code blocks, executing data analysis, or running local AI software, the Cubi NUC operates with zero latency, providing an incredibly fluid, desktop-class experience. For professionals who need a massive visual canvas, the display capabilities on this mini PC are practically unmatched. Despite its tiny size, the Cubi NUC features Dual Thunderbolt 4 ports alongside Dual HDMI ports. This unique combination allows you to drive up to 4 separate monitors simultaneously, all running at crisp, beautiful 4K resolution. This makes the system an absolute dream setup for stock traders monitoring multiple live dashboards, software developers who need separate screens for code and live testing environments, or creative professionals juggling multiple high-resolution assets. You get unmatched screen real estate to manage all your critical business software at the exact same time without constantly minimizing your windows. Connectivity is another area where MSI completely refused to make compromises. On the networking side, this device features a rare dual 2.5 gigabit LAN configuration. Having dual high-speed Ethernet ports provides corporate IT departments with incredible flexibility, allowing for robust network redundancy, secure server attachments, or advanced data routing. For wireless connections, it includes ultra-stable Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth, keeping your connection rock solid even in crowded office environments. The physical port selection is equally generous, including high-speed USB Type-A and Type-C ports to connect all your peripherals easily. Furthermore, it comes preloaded with Windows 11 Pro out of the box. This provides essential enterprise-grade security features right out of the box, including advanced mobile device management, group policy controls, BitLocker encryption, and seamless integration with Azure Active Directory to keep sensitive corporate data completely secure. From a design standpoint, the clean, minimalist black chassis looks remarkably professional on any desk. However, because it uses an ultra-slim 0.51-liter form factor, you don't even have to keep it on your desk. It is fully VESA-mountable, meaning you can attach the entire computer directly to the back of a monitor, mount it cleanly to an office wall, or tuck it away inside digital signage. It entirely eliminates cable clutter and creates a beautifully tidy, modern workspace. To wrap things up, the MSI Cubi NUC AI Business Mini Desktop is a spectacular triumph of engineering. It successfully redefines what a commercial workspace computer can be, providing massive 16-core Intel Ultra performance, next-gen DDR5 speeds, and incredible quad-display flexibility, all while drawing minimal power and occupying virtually zero desk space. Backed by excellent corporate-grade features and reliable warranty support, It is a premier investment for any business professional looking to future-proof their workflow.